Hi, hi,
Hi.
hi. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Long time.
Yes, good to see you.
Hello.
Hi.
Thank you.
आज मेन्यू में मणिपुरी फूड है जो मैंने कभी नहीं खाया है। आप तो लकी है खाते रहते हो।
हाँ मैं खाता रहता हूँ मुझे भी नहीं पता था इसके बारे में you'll be surprised how tasty it is.
Does it take over the Haryanvi food or not?
Haryanvi food is
You should ask me.
more basic.
I love your office space. मतलब
Thank
I'm
you.
confused मैं मुंबई में भी हूँ या नहीं। इतनी ग्रीनरी कहाँ मिलती है? Wow.
This is a place where I spend a lot of time writing, preparing, meeting people. So this is my nice little writing corner.
I can see the piano there. कौन play
Yeah.
करता है piano?
I'm learning, we're both learning in fact.
And he's a man of many interests. कभी horse riding. The first time we met, we were doing horse riding.
Yeah,
And I
yeah.
heard Lynn, आप भी archery champ रह चुकी है.
Yes.
थोड़ा इधर इस तरफ.
इधर लग गया.
सब दिल में लग रहा है सब सारे बाण दिल में लग रहे हैं.
Have a beautiful outdoor space as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Welcome to my outdoor little
Thank you. बहुत सुंदर जगह.
under the tree.
I mean, if I was
even-
you, मैं यहीं रहती. बस मैं कहीं नहीं जाती. मैं काम पर भी नहीं जाती.
That was the suggestion I gave him.
Firstly, congratulations to both of you.
Thank you.
हमने इंटरनेट पर आपकी बहुत सुंदर सुंदर फोटोज देखी of the wedding. तो पहले तो मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी, how did this Haryanvi boy make his way to Manipur? कितने सालों से जानते हैं आप एक दूसरे को?
15 odd years.
2011, when I came back from New York, he was one of the first people, like, you know, from Nasir sir's theatre crew that I met. And he helped me get casting directors' names and all of that. Like, he didn't know me, so
So
that
you
was...
both were in the acting school at the same time. Is that
हम एक्टिंग स्कूल में नहीं थे मैं मोटली में उन दिनों काम कर रहा था कौन सा प्ले चल रहा था आर्म्स एंड
Arms and
द
the
मैन
Man.
शी हैड जॉइंड इन टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट टू यू नो
Production. वो
प्रोडक्शन
लास्ट में जो झाड़ू the light off करके जो था, I used to do that. They were senior and like, you know, I just joined, no work.
It was COVID which actually our
Brought us
friendship
together.
brought us together more और कोविड में इन्होंने मुझे क्या क्या बना के खिलाया यार मैं तो पागल ही हो गया
so it's true. A way to man's heart is through stomach. खाना
यस
खाकर आप.
यस और वो भी उसके लिए जो कि इतना फूडी नहीं है
I mean, initially we were just friends. I got to know about him more. I had seen Monsoon Wedding, which was brilliant. And after that, I left India. So मैंने कई फिल्में इनकी देखी नहीं. So I was not sure that who he is or how famous. So when he helped me, I kind of like, you know, oh, he's a nice guy. You know, that kind of feeling started, but not like as anything. But
Yeah.
I kept in touch with him because I was curious as an actor what goes on.
Yeah.
Because when he was shooting in Highway, so he messaged me on Facebook one day, like, you know, I said, how's your shoot going and all that. And the intensity that he was going through, and I was very mesmerized by, wow, you know, मुझे कब करने को मिलेगा. That was the admiration I have for his work and his dedication.